In this tutorial, we'll learn how to Sparklines in Google Sheets. Let's start by giving our spreadsheet a name. Click on the title at the top and type monthly sales. Now click on cell A1 so we're ready to start entering our data. We need 2 columns for our data. Type month in cell A1 and press Tab, then type sales in B1. These headers will label our 6 months of sales figures that we'll visualize with Sparklines. Now let's enter our first row of data. Click on A2 and type Jan for January, then tab over to B2 and type 400. This is our sales figure for January. We'll follow this same pattern for the remaining months. Now we'll fill in the rest of our data, February through June, each with their own sales numbers. The values range from 300 up to 800, giving us some nice variation that will show up well in our Sparklines. Here's our complete data set, 6 months of sales data from January through June. Now we're ready to create Sparklines that will visualize this data inside individual cells. Click on cell D1 and type line. This labels the first type of Sparkline we'll create. In D2, type equals SPARKLINE, open parenthesis, B2:B7, close parenthesis, and press enter. That's the simplest Sparkline formula. And there it is, a tiny line chart right inside the cell. You can see the sales trend at a glance. Click on Date 2 and you'll see the formula in the formula bar above. Now click on D4 and type bar. This will be our second Sparkline type. In D5, type equals SPARKLINE, open parenthesis, B2:B7, comma, open curly brace, quote chart type, quote, comma. Quote bar, quote, close curly brace, close parenthesis. The bar Sparkline shows each month's sales as a proportion of the total. Notice the curly braces in the formula. That's how you pass options to the Sparkline function. The second argument is a set of key-value pairs. Click on D7 and type column for our third and final Sparkline type. In D8, the formula is the same structure, but this time the chart type is column. Equals SPARKLINE, open parenthesis, B2:B7, comma, open curly brace, quote chart type, quote, comma, quote column, quote. Close curly brace, close parenthesis. The column Sparkline shows vertical bars for each month, making it easy to compare values side by side. Now let's click on A1 to see everything together. We have our 6 months of sales data on the left and 3 different Sparkline visualizations on the right: line, bar, and column. Each one tells the same story in a different way, all packed into a single cell. That's the power of Sparklines in Google Sheets.